Newton's third law of motion states that for every action, there must be an equal and opposite reaction. For example, when you hit a baseball, a force is applied by the bat to the ball, as well as an equal amount of force from the ball to the bat, but in an opposite direction. For my example, I did a bouncing ball. Here's the video. I have these two equations up here. These are going to help me prove Newton's third law. I have the force of the first object should equal the force of the second object in the opposite direction, so it's just negative. This can also be, I know that Newton's second law states that the force equals the mass times the acceleration. So I manipulated this equation to make it the mass of the first object times the acceleration of the first object equals the negative mass of the second object times the acceleration of the second object. I found the mass of the foam ball I dropped to be 0.032 kilograms. It's very light, and the mass of the desk was to be 46 kilograms. From there, I calculated the force of the foam ball. I just multiplied the mass times the acceleration of gravity because it is free falling. I did not include air resistance in this problem. I found that force to be 0.3136 newtons in the downwards direction. From there, I calculated what the acceleration on the desk was, because that was not measurable. So I just plugged it into F equals ma, solved for a. The acceleration of the desk was 0.0068. It is a 46 kilogram desk. It is very heavy. It's not going to move from a foam ball being dropped on it. So this acceleration is practically zero. It didn't move. From there, I plugged everything into this second equation. So the mass of the first object times the acceleration of the first object should equal the negative mass of the second object times the acceleration of the second object. And after I plugged these in, punched it in a calculator, it was they equaled each other. This proves Newton's third law.